Are you getting the M04 error on Shopee? Don't worry, we have got you covered. Here's how to fix it. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are seeing the M04 error on Shopee, it usually means there is an issue with your account or a possible violation of their policies. But don't stress. There are few simple steps you can try to fix it. Let's dive right in. First, double check that you are logged into the correct Shopee account. Sometimes it is as simple as using the wrong account. Next, clear your cache. Whether you are using website or the app, cached data can cause issues. Try cleaning the app cache and your browser cache. Try restarting your device. This can help reset any temporary issue that may be causing the error. If you are using a browser, try switching to a different one, like Chrome, Safari, or Firefox. Another option is to switch to incognito or private mode. This can bypass any old data causing issue. Log out of your Shopee account and log back in. It's simple but effective trick. Make sure your Shopee app is up to date. An outdated app can sometimes trigger error. Finally, if none of that works, try uninstalling and reinstall the Shopee app. There you go. One of these steps should help you fix that annoying M04 error. If it's still not working, you may need to contact Shopee support for more help. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.